What do women really want? What do women really want? My name is Anisia Mwaniki. I'm a lawyer, a mediator, a mentor, and this question comes up so often in the course of my work, and I've experienced quite a lot in dealing with family conflicts. I've already had another video on this channel um, asking the question, what do men really want? And then I said that at the bottom of it, men want their abilities recognized and not ignored or ridiculed. Yeah. So what do women really want? But then before I get to that, just think that in any conflict, there's usually an element of anger. One party is angry with the other, and there's also a blame element, finding fault with the other and thinking that I'm not the cause of this conflict, I'm not the cause of this problem that we are having. And I think it's a very good idea to go to the root of it, to go to the cause, of what gets us there, to that conflict situation. And I think at the bottom of it is not understanding the other person. Yeah, we really don't understand the other person. And in cases of men and women, not appreciating enough, that we are wired differently, and in some aspects we really have to treat the other as the opposite, or a complementary other, and there are some ways of approaching things, especially as I've said before, in our style of communication, in our emotional needs, we can be very different. Yeah, I mentioned that the approach in men usually would be that of being a Mr. Fix-It. They want to get to a solution, they want to sort it out, and in fact, they want to be left alone to sort it and fix it. Yeah, and move on. But then the men have to remember that women are not quite like that. They don't approach things quite the way you do. So for the men, please, if you're a Mr. Fix-It, don't try to fix your woman as if she was a piece of metal or a piece of wood. No. She has to be handled differently. Yeah. So at the bottom of it, what do women really want? Just as men want their abilities recognized, women want their feelings recognized, acknowledged, appreciated, not ridiculed, yeah? Not ignored. Yeah. So please, for the men, that thing of always asking, how can you say that? How can you feel like that? Yeah. And the woman will tell you, I do. That's exactly how I feel. And it's not always in negative feelings. Yeah. They can be just telling you, this is what makes me happy. This is what upsets me. Yeah. This, really whatever. Just think of any feelings. Yeah. On this channel, I've talked quite a bit on emotions. We can think of the positive ones, the negative ones, but so please, for the men, just remember that the woman is looking for probably something so different from what you would be looking for. It's from that acknowledging of their feelings that you'll give them the emotional support that they need. They're looking for the care, for the validation, for reassurance, for that respect. And then at the end of the day, what do you want? Yeah, you want a happy woman. Yeah. So get to know what makes her happy. Because if she's happy, you will be happy as a man, and vice versa. If you have a happy man, you will have a happy woman. Yeah. So at the end of it, let's get to know each other. Let's get to know what men and women really want. Let's get to know and understand. Yeah. And sometimes it's just a simple question of just asking the other, what would you like? What are you thinking of? So stay tuned. There's plenty more on this channel on this topic on family conflict, on what men and women really want. So subscribe, like, share, and keep up with us so that you don't miss out. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.